Welcome back to Cooking at Pam's Place. We are getting ready to make Southern style dirty potatoes. Yes, dirty potatoes. I know that a lot of you all have heard and have had dirty rice. Well, this is dirty potatoes. Oh my goodness, it is amazingly delicious. But before we get started, if you are new to the channel, welcome, welcome, welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by and hanging out with me today in my kitchen. If you are a returning subscriber or even a channel member, thank you so much for your loyal, faithful support. If you are not subscribed to the channel, take a second and subscribe to the channel. Turn on that notification bell so you won't miss anything, and then come with me. I'll show you what to do. Okay, so I just have here some russet potatoes. You can use Idaho russet, any potato that you like. You can even use red skin potatoes if you like. They are a little softer and these do work a little better, but you can use them. Yukon Gold, whatever your favorite potato is, but for this particular recipe, I like using russet or Idaho potatoes. Now I have some sausage links here. This is maple sausage. You can use, I like using the sausage links in this, but you can use the bulk sausage. You can use turkey sausage. You can use turkey sausage, ground sausage. You can use just ground turkey if you want. So switch it out and make it your own. So what you want to do is slice your potatoes. Slice them really, really thin as you can. Get them by hand slicing them, and if you want to use a mandolin or something, feel free to do that as well. Just make sure you're slicing them as thin as possible. Now, let me take a second. I've had a lot of people in my comments asking me what brand knife I use, what brand knife do I like. Well, I have recently received this Nakano knife. It is absolutely amazing. It's not as clean as I want because I'm using it, but it is amazing. So for now, I'm going to recommend this particular knife. It's a Nakano knife. It's about a 6.5 to 6.7, somewhere like that, blade. So it's not a big cleaver. It's not a very small paring knife, but it's perfect. This is carbon stainless steel. This is the kind of knife that you pass down, like you pass down your cast iron skillets. This knife you can pass down because it will last that long. Carbon stainless steel, you can slice, you can chop, you can dice. Anything you want to do, you can do with this knife. So it's absolutely amazing. And to be honest, one of my favorite parts about it is the handle. This is made of natural olive wood. But what I like about the handle is it has a little weight to it. And for me, that's perfect. It doesn't feel flimsy or anything. It has weight to it. So you've been asking, so here it is, Nakano. Now I'll leave a link in the description so that you can check out the Nakano knife. Maybe get you one. Okay, so go ahead and slice your potatoes as thin as you can. I've got them sliced really thin here. They were going to cook a little faster that way, and it just is going to make the dish amazing. So I'm going to go ahead and finish cutting up these potatoes, and then we'll be back. Next, we are going to go ahead and slice up our sausage links. I like to slice them on the bias, meaning on an angle and not too small. I'm actually cutting 2 at a time. I'm going to get about maybe 4 pieces out of here. You do want them to be just like maybe about like that size. You do want them to be bite-sized. Now, I'm making a smaller portion, so feel free to use more sausage, more potatoes if you like. Now we have to get our onion cut up. And I have got my potatoes soaking over here. So what you want to do is soak your potatoes in water. I have them over here. I actually have my colander inside of another bowl so that I can just pull them out like that and drain them. But for right now, they're soaking. You want to get some of that starch off of them. So make sure you soak them for at least maybe about 5 or 10 minutes to get some of that starch off. So I'm going to set these aside, let them finish soaking, and grab my onion. I also like my onion diced in this recipe. You can easily slice yours or leave them in rings. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is get your skillet, whatever skillet you're using, heat it up a little bit, and just put maybe about a half a tablespoon of oil in your skillet. We're going to be adding more, but for right now, we just want to brown our sausages. We're going to let these cook and we'll be back. Okay, now that we've gotten some good color on there, we're going to go ahead and take them out. See that color? That's what you want on there. Make sure you got some good color. If they are not cooked all the way through, it's okay, because at the end, they're going to go back in the skillet again. So don't worry about it. They should be at least 3/4 of the way cooked, and that last 25% will get in the end. We'll go right back in the same skillet with our onions, just for a few seconds. Once you start seeing just a little bit of color on your onions, you want to go in with probably another tablespoon or 2 of your cooking oil, and then go ahead and add in your potatoes. You want to add them in layers because we're going to season them that way. That will ensure that all of the potatoes get some seasoning on them. Now we're going to go in with some garlic powder, onion powder, a little Himalayan salt, and a little black pepper. Now we're going to go in with our next layer. Then we're going to stir them all up and get them really well combined. And again, going in with our onion powder, our garlic powder, Himalayan salt. This time, we're adding in just a tad bit of cumin, just a little bit, and black pepper again. I'm going to go ahead and give this a good stir, mixing in those onions along with the potatoes. Make sure they're all well coated with that oil. I had my temperature on low. I'm going to turn my temperature up to medium high so that they can go ahead and start to cook and brown. Okay, we're going to give these a chance to cook, and I'll be right back. Okay, once your potatoes have some color on them, like this, give a close up here. See that color on those potatoes? That's what you want. Once they look like that, go back in with your sausage. Spread it around. Throw in a couple of tablespoons of butter. Just a few red pepper flakes. More if you like that heat. Just a few. And a little bit of water. Now we're going to cover this up and let them continue to cook. Turn your skillet down on low. Okay, now we can go in and stir this up a little bit. Do you see how that liquid evaporated? So you just want to turn them over and continue to let them cook for a few more minutes until all the liquid has been evaporated. Then we're going to garnish it and plate it up. So we'll be back. Okay, so we are going to plate this up and head over to the counter for a taste test. Oh my goodness. You can go ahead and garnish it with a little parsley flakes if you like. I really do appreciate each and every one of you guys. Remember to subscribe to the channel and turn on that notification bell so you won't miss anything. Oh my goodness. Doesn't this look amazingly delicious? Y'all know we gotta try this. I need a little bit of everything on my fork. Piece of sausage and some potatoes. Oh my goodness, some onion. If you all could smell this, oh, smell of vision, smell of vision. Delicious. You can even top this off with a soft egg or a scrambled egg. I'm gonna go fix some scrambled eggs, y'all. I'm just saying. And I will see you all next time. The good Lord willing and the creek don't rise. Bye-bye.